Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to focus on balance, strength and coordination. The objective of this activity is that children will learn and practice balance and they will develop their strength. So the props which we need are one stool of this size and yoga mat or bed sheet. So let's start our first warm-up activity, which is jog on the spot. It will help children to increase and develop their leg strength and speed. So let's start. Ready, steady, go. While doing this activity, you have to do it on your toes. Your knees should come up and you have to move your hands. The upper body should be straight. So let's start a second warm-up activity, which is jumping jacks. So let's start this activity. Ready, steady, go. So while doing this, you have to spread your hands and legs together in this position, and you have to do this for 40 seconds without stopping. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Let's start our third warm-up activity, which is mountain climbing. The objective of this activity is that it helps children to develop their cardio endurance and their speed ability. So let's start. So the first, you have to take this position. Your one leg should be forward. Your hand should be straight. You have to look up, and on my count, go. You will start. Ready, steady, go. Every time your leg should come forward and you have to look up. Let's start with our second. Let's start the first main activity, which is depth jump. The objective of this activity is that it will help children to develop their leg strength and it will also improve their body control. So as I've told you, you have to keep one stool ready before we start the activity of this size or less than this. So let's start this activity. So first, you have to step on the stool. Your feet should be together. So while doing this jump, while landing, you have to jump on your toes. So ready, steady, and go. Again, you have to go back and you have to do 25 jumps continuously without stopping. So let's start our second main activity, which is wall squats. So for that, you need a wall. First, you have to keep some distance in your legs, and then you have to go down slowly in squat position, and you have to hold this position for 25 seconds. Your upper body should be straight. So let's start our third main activity, which is push-ups. So the main objective of this activity is that it will help children to develop their upper body strength. So let's start. So first, you have to take this position. You have to keep shoulder distance. Your hands should be straight, feet together, and slowly you have to go down. This you have to do 5 sets of 10 to 10 seconds. Then you can take 10 seconds break in between one set. So today's Kinder Play at Home challenge is that you have to perform modified push-ups for the maximum number of seconds and you have to record your best timing. Please share your video with us. Lockdown tips: drink a lot of water, eat a lot of fruits, sleep early, wake up early, do a lot of exercises. If possible, do it with your family. Thank you.